Alright, so we've got this computer here which has Trend Micro Maximum Security installed, and we would like to uninstall it, but it has been protected with a password, and we don't have the password of the user who set this master password. So how do we get rid of it? You need to be an admin on this computer and download a special program from Trend Micro's website. The link to the program is in the description of the video. So go down and use their uninstall tool. Download it and execute the program when it downloads. Okay, so our download is ready. Let's install it. Finally, that took really long time. Click on uninstall software, type in the code. Great, now that's working. And you want to restart the computer. Great, we're back in business. Let's have a look at the installed applications. And nothing comes up on the trend. That's how you remove the Trend Micro security software if you don't have the password.